Let's play some learning games together.
Edie and Zoo.
Do you want to play a letter D game with me today? Great! Let's look at 3 objects and try to find the one that starts with the letter D. We have an acorn, bananas, and a deer. Maybe if we sound out the first letter, we can figure out the one that starts with the letter D. We have an acorn, bananas, and a deer. Do you know which one starts with the letter D? That's right, it's the deer. Acorn and bananas do not start with the letter D, but deer does. Do you want to play again? Let's look at 3 more objects. We have a cow, a duck, and a bee. Maybe we should sound them out again and see if we can figure out which one starts with the letter D. We have a cow, a duck, and a bee. Do you know which one starts with the letter D? That's right, it's the duck. You're great at this. Duck starts with the letter D, but cow and bee do not.
I hope you had as much fun as I did today. I hope you come back and learn with me really soon.